The Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Teachers Association is continuing its indefinite hunger strike, demanding the state government to reinstate them. Speaking to the Darshan, Asilbert Marak, a contractual teacher, said that from last 2020, the association had demanded the state government to reinstate their service, but the government didn't listen to them, and that made them to protest and hold the indefinite hunger strike in front of the main secretariat. He also informed that around 1,000 of teachers who had served for around 10 to 15 years are now terminated. He requested the government to listen to their plea.
From the last 2020, we have demanding to government to keep continue in our service, but they are not listening to us. So that's why we have government decision has been made us to come to there, that they are terminating us.
The weather report: the maximum temperature was recorded at